Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got BMW 3 Series 328i 2011 model X drive for the ignition coil change. So let's start it. So first of all, to remove this engine cover, you guys have to remove all that stuff, right? There are some screws over there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You guys have to open these one, and then you have to remove that cover so that we can access all the cylinders for the ignition coil. So to remove this one, there's a rubber over there. You can just do it like this, and then yes, you can pop it like this. So that's your brake fluid, and same on the other side. You can remove these rubbers, just pull them down, that's it. There's a lock over there, and same on the other side. So in this way you can take them out. Then you have to open these 10 mm screws to take that out, or you can just take that one out with this. And these screws are 8 mm, so you need a 8 mm socket. Just open these 4 screw over there, and then you can pull it out with together. You don't have to remove this one. So once it's out, here you go, you have to use Allen key to open 1, 2, second one is here, and third screw we put aftermarket. We didn't have the original one, so you can use Allen key to open these 3 screw, and you can remove the cover. And guys, you have one more screw over there. Just hold on. Yeah, here you go. You have to open this one too. So after removing the engine cover, you can see the ignition coils. These are 6 over there. So to unplug this ignition coil, you have to just pop that out, and that's how you can unplug your ignition coil. Same for the second one. And same for the third, fourth, fifth and sixth is over there. So yeah, just pop it like this and unplug the switch. Once you are done with unplugging, you can put finger here and just pop them out, or you can just grab them and just pull it out, and that's your ignition coil. That's how you can remove it. So just take all of them out. So after removing all of the coils, you can put the new one. And today we are using Bosch. We ordered it from Amazon for like $200, and it says BMW ignition coil by Bosch. So you guys can put them back the way we take it out. So let's do it. So you can put it back the same way you guys take it out. Just insert into the tube and just push a little bit, and then you can hear a noise. It means it's fit perfectly. And then you can plug this one, and then that's how you can do. So let's do for all of them. So once you are done with this coil, you can put everything back the way you take it out. We have to put that thing over there and tighten this 4 screw. That's it. That's how you can. And we can put the cover first, and then we can put that thing over there, and that's how you can do. That's it. That's how you can change the ignition coil of BMW. So thank you guys, that's all for today. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.